In Revit 2022.1, you can search for categories in many dialogues using keywords without navigating through the entire list. These dialogues offer this new functionality: new schedule/quantity, new material takeoff, parameter properties, loaded tags and symbols, object styles, visibility/graphics overrides, and modify DWG/DXF/DGN export. Both the main category and the subcategories are searchable. You can also use a partial input. For example, if you type the letters DUCT, all results that include those letters will be shown. This new feature will improve your productivity by helping you quickly find categories while working in Revit.